Open the app. It on Shopify. Click on Install button. Onboarding process need to be completed. On step 1, general information required, as you can see here. Phone number needs to be validated and then proceed to the next step. Pay attention please. Next step is to enter test API. Sellers can get the keys from Jet Partner Panel. To know that, watch the video. It will explain how to get the API keys. Step 3 is importing products from Shopify to app. Select the products which you want to import. Product type and SKU is required. Then category need to mapped for specific product type to Jet categories, as I am doing here. Now, the last step is attribute mapping, which can be done for variants products only. Save the setting. It is the dashboard and here is quick tour. Go to the settings section. Enter the valid return location and days. Threshold limit under which product quantity becomes 0. Map implementation. Shipping and return exception. Disable syncing which you don't want to manage from Shopify Store. Manage pricing from app. Increase or decrease, order setting and emails, save the changes. Now go to Manage Products in Products section. It is the product grid. Select the product which you want to upload and make them uploaded as you can see here. It get uploaded. Click on Edit button to edit the product one by its title, description, quantity, etc. From here products can be uploaded in bulk. Get the products that are live on Jet. Update inventory in bulk. Sync all products details from Shopify and bulk upload. Sync product status from Jet. You can set the shipping exception as well as return exception, product-wise. Now, order section. Sales order acknowledged through app. Order not acknowledged on app. Seller can refund or return the order through app. We will look into sales order section. Sync order to Shopify. Sync order status from Jet. Can sync shipped order from here. Through CSV, product can be updated, archive or unarchive the products as well as upload products via CSV. We check for product update, select the field which need to be update. Filter the product by status. Click on Export.